I realized something recently. I don't use my phone anymore. I orbit it. Every gap in my day. It's just there, scrolling, and it's wrecking my focus, my sleep, and honestly, my mood. So instead of doing a dramatic or unsustainable 30-day detox, I built a repeatable system that makes my phone less distracting and my attention way easier to protect. I'm going to break that system down step by step so you can rebuild your relationship with your phone into something that works for you instead of against you. To start, let's remove your phone from your attention blast radius. There's a study showing that just having a phone visible, even face down, hurts your cognitive performance. So the first rule is simple. If I'm doing focus work, my phone is not allowed in my visual field. Not on the desk, not next to it, gone. This alone boosted my focus more than any app blocker. Next, create a dedicated phone home. Your phone needs a parking spot that's not your pocket. Once you have that space chosen, when you walk in the door, it goes there by default. You want your phone to have a place so it's not constantly glued to your hand. Most phone addiction is the result of habit loops firing automatically, so we can break them with tiny bits of friction. Let's build a friction firewall. Move every distraction app off your home screen. Then create a folder, you can call it Mindless, and drag your dopamine apps in there. This might be TikTok, Instagram, Discord, Reddit, really anything you scroll without thinking. And put this folder on the last page of your phone's home screen. Just 3 seconds of friction can be enough to really interrupt that automatic tap. Now we're going to add an intention gate to your home screen. Replace your home screen with only purposeful apps. These really vary by person, but they might include your email, your calendar, notes. It could be Kindle or music, maybe a to-do list, or even your camera. These are going to act as cues that your phone is a tool and not a slot machine. The next 3 things really move the needle for me, and they're all backed by research. So first, stop using your phone in bed. This is a big one. Nighttime phone use is one of the strongest predictors of worse sleep, worse mood, and worse attention. So charge your phone outside of your bedroom if you can. Personally, I bought a sunrise alarm clock. This was especially great for me because I tend to wake up before the sun comes up. And if this is the only thing you implement, you'll feel different in a week. Second, set scrolling windows instead of quitting cold turkey. Cold turkey really doesn't work for most people. What works is containment. So give yourself intentional windows. Maybe that's 15 minutes at lunch or 30 minutes after work. But outside of these windows, no scrolling. This makes checking your phone a choice instead of an impulse. And third, you can add screen time nudges. So you could add daily limits on every distracting app, but you can also pin your screen time widget to your home screen, and this serves as a really helpful visual reminder. So now we're going to need a system that keeps us accountable. A method I really like was a weekly screen audit. This could be 2 minutes every Sunday. Just pick a preset day and time, open your screen time report, and check your total hours, and your top 3 most used apps. Just pick one change you want to do for the next week. So for example, it could be, I want to move TikTok 1 rank lower, or I want to drop my total screen time by 1 hour per day. Small wins really compound here. And remember, it is up to us to build an environment where focus is the default. So the less your phone is around, the less willpower you need. Just make your environment do the work for you. The goal here is not to be anti-phone. It's to make your phone a tool and not a reflex. So just a reminder, full system at a glance is keep your phone out of your deep workspace, give it a dedicated home, build friction by burying mindless apps, put intentional and useful apps front and center, set scrolling time windows, charge your phone outside the bedroom or at least don't scroll in bed, and finally, check your screen time regularly to see how you're doing. This is sustainable, realistic, and does not require you going full caveman for 30 days. If you pick just 2 strategies and implement them today, your attention will definitely thank you.